It's a balmy 14 degrees. Feels like -1. Let's do some farm chores. My stock tank looks like it's on fire. But indeed, it's just working. Good morning. Yeah, sounds about right. She has hay. Time for grain. You. The mare is appeased. While I'm out here, I'm gonna do the goats. They don't get morning gray anymore because they're fat. So I'm checking for hay. Hi, Seiji. Hi. Want to live in my skin? They have enough hay. I see you pooped in your feed bunk. We have mineral. We got this all tightened up. And it's actually pretty warm in here, so you're good. You're good. Can't touch you? No. Okay. I can touch you though. I went in to get hot water to pour on the ice in the chicken coop, and my husband said that my scarf does not necessarily match country tough. I think it does. It says I'm country tough, not just a girl. Hello chickens, trust me, you do not want to come out. We already have an egg, looks like. They're protesting because they're locked up. It's an old lady. Old lady. I gave them their feed, sprinkled the Gerbera larva on there, make them all happy because they're very mad at me. But now, basically we're waiting, and then we will go over to our friend's farm across the street, break ice for them, check their critters, and then farm chores will be done after that. Life hack, use one of these rubber bowls. Makes ice getting out easier instead of one of those. Somebody for the farm stands wanting some eggs. Currently have 10, so now we have 11. And I just need one more egg to give somebody eggs for the farm stand. We did raise our egg prices to $3. If you like this stuff, make sure to follow, like, repost if you can this video request, and stay tuned for more.